Today's lesson is on the distributive property and simplifying expressions. We've already watched the math mashup video on how to use the distributive property, so now we're going to solve some examples on our own. You might want to have a piece of paper and a pencil so you can try to do them ahead of time. In this example, the outside term is 5. We do outside term times first term, which is 5x, and outside term times second term, 5 times 9. So we have 5x plus 45. Make sure that you do a double rainbow. Make sure you're multiplying the outside term times both terms inside the parentheses. 3 times positive x is 3x, and 3 times negative 2. So we have 3x plus negative 6. So as you remember, a positive times a negative becomes a negative. If you combine a positive and a negative, or you add a bad thing, that's a bad thing, so it's negative. 3x minus 6 is how we can simplify this. Here we have 7x times x, or 7x squared, minus, so we have 7x squared and 7x times negative 6. We always include the sign with the term when we're figuring out what to multiply. So this becomes 7x squared minus 42x. Here we have a negative 4 times x and negative 4 times 5. So our simplified form is negative 4x minus 20. Notice we include the sign with the term. This is negative 8 times x and negative 8 times negative 2. This becomes negative 8x and 16. In place of the and, we put a plus sign here because we always have to separate the two terms. Here we have the outside term written on the right side of the parentheses. We can do the same steps. Outside term times first term is 9x, and outside term times second term is 9 times negative 3. So we have an answer of 9x minus 27.